Different types of intermittent fasting. Have you ever wondered why some people eat less often, yet seem to have more energy, a sharper mind, and even better health? What if I told you that the secret isn't about eating less food, it's about eating at the right time? This powerful method is called intermittent fasting, and today I'll break down the most popular types, how they work, when you should eat, and what foods actually support your fasting lifestyle. Stay with me until the end because I'll reveal the type of fasting that's surprisingly the easiest for beginners, but delivers powerful results. What is intermittent fasting? Intermittent fasting, or IF, isn't a diet in the traditional sense, it's a pattern of eating. Instead of focusing only on what you eat, it emphasizes when you eat. By alternating between periods of fasting, not eating and eating, you give your body a chance to switch from using glucose for energy to burning fat. This process, called metabolic switching, is what makes intermittent fasting so effective. Health benefits of IF include: supports weight management by encouraging fat burning, improves insulin sensitivity and helps regulate blood sugar, boosts brain function by increasing focus and clarity, enhances cellular repair and reduces inflammation, may even contribute to longevity and disease prevention. Now let's dive into the different types of intermittent fasting so you can see which one might fit best into your lifestyle. 1. The 16/8 method, Leangains protocol. This is the most popular and easiest to follow. Fasting window, 16 hours. Eating window, 8 hours. For example, you might eat between 12 p.m. and 8 p.m., then fast from 8 p.m. until noon the next day. What to eat? Focus on nutrient-dense foods like lean proteins, chicken, fish, tofu, healthy fats, avocado, olive oil, nuts, and complex carbs, quinoa, sweet potatoes, leafy greens. Hydrate with water, black coffee, or herbal tea during the fasting window. 2. The 5-2 diet. This plan involves eating normally 5 days a week and restricting calories on the other 2 days. Fasting days. Eat only about 500-600 calories. Regular days. Eat your normal healthy meals. What to eat on fasting days? Vegetables, soups, salads, boiled eggs, fish, or smoothies that are light yet nutrient-rich. On non-fasting days, maintain a balanced diet without overeating. 3. Eat Stop Eat 24-hour fast. This method involves fasting for a full 24 hours once or twice per week. For example, finish dinner at 7 p.m. and don't eat again until 7 p.m. the next day. What to eat afterward? Break the fast gently with easily digestible foods like bone broth, soup, or fruits, then move to lean protein, whole grains, and vegetables. If you're finding this helpful so far, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Anea Healthy Living. It tells me you love this kind of content and want more practical, science-backed health tips every week. 4. Alternate day fasting. This is a more advanced form of intermittent fasting. You alternate between a fasting day, either no food or about 500 calories, and a regular eating day. What to eat on fasting days? Broths, raw veggies, small servings of lean protein. On normal days, choose whole foods, but you don't need to count calories strictly. 5. The warrior diet. This style mimics the eating patterns of ancient warriors. Fasting window, 20 hours of under-eating, light snacks only if any. Eating window, a 4-hour window in the evening for one main meal. What to eat? Small portions of raw fruits and vegetables during the day, then a big nutrient-rich meal of protein, veggies, and healthy fats at night. 6. OMAD 1 meal a day. This is the most extreme version. You fast for 23 hours and eat only one meal within a 1-hour window. What to eat? This single meal must be rich in protein, fiber, and healthy fats, such as grilled salmon with quinoa and vegetables, plus fruit or nuts for balance. Hydration is key throughout the fasting period. Which one is best for you? The best type of intermittent fasting depends on your lifestyle, health goals, and experience level. Beginners often start with the 16/8 method, while more advanced individuals may try OMAD or alternate day fasting. The key is consistency. Pick one style that feels sustainable and aligns with your schedule. So, which type of intermittent fasting would you try first? Comment below, I'd love to hear your choice. And before you go, if your goal is to burn belly fat quickly, don't miss our other video, Lose Belly Fat Fast with these easy moves. It's the perfect next step to combine with intermittent fasting for even better results. Click right here on the screen and I'll see you in that video. Until the next time, stay active, stay healthy, and stay happy.